Is our 2011 Cts-v Coupe. Has 1,600 miles on it. See, the engine's running right now. No banging, no knocking. Fluids look fine. There's the oil. Missing this cover there. I believe I have a couple of spares of those. The tow hook cover. I see no damage on this side here whatsoever. No scratches or anything like that. This handle won't open the door. This wheel has just a bit of curb rash there. Tires look good. Gas cap door. Air tires are fine. You can see, if you can kind of tell, my camera's a little bit out of focus, but I can see some dust in the tail lights there. And it's only in the reverse area. I don't see nothing up here at all. That looks all perfect and clean. Then in the trunk area, lower this down so you can kind of see what's in these other areas. There's the battery. It's underneath here. Sounds good. This side here in the chrome molding, you can see there's a little bit of a dent right there. Not a big deal. That's the only flaw I can see on the outside of this car. All the headlights work fine, the blinkers work fine, the tail lights work fine. One reverse light does not work. The driver's door here, this handle does open the door. Show you. There you can see the blinkers on. You know, that reverse light is foggy as well. Front lights. Roof looks fine. Show you the other side. Headlights are both on. Blinkers on. License plate lamps are on. Now this is your brake light. That does work. I can't hit the brake and be back here, but it does light up. Okay, now that we're out of the wind, I can kind of give you the whole story. This is a flood vehicle or a water damaged vehicle. I do not know if this vehicle went in the water or rained. All I can tell you is, I mean, if you look at the interior, we did nothing to the interior whatsoever. Interior is fine. There's no funny smells. Does need to be, you know, it's got a little dust on it, but nothing bad whatsoever. there is a couple of things. One, you can see this cover here is missing. I don't know where that went. And two, you can see kind of the fit and finish here is off just a tick. So it looks like somebody might have been in here unhooking something or trying to figure out how to make something work. This whole radio stack here does not work at all. It's like it's not even plugged in. You know, these buttons don't light up, they don't power anything. I don't hear anything turning on, they don't light up. Yeah, the clock doesn't go, the display doesn't light up. There's nothing there whatsoever. It's like it's not even plugged in. I did check, it is plugged in, so I don't know if it's a control module or a fuse. I don't know. Here you can see the traction control light, that is on, and even though I'm hitting the button, it won't go off. The green light is just the lights, that's not a big deal. The emergency brake light, I have the emergency brake on. You can see the right blinker still on, there's the left blinker. As far as the lights on the dash goes, it says program cluster. I know it said service StabiliTrak, parking assist off. Yeah, service StabiliTrak, program cluster. There's the voltage. Current miles is 1,605. Tire pressures are reading fine. Battery voltage 14.5. Oil pressure is 37 psi. As I rev the engine, obviously it goes up. It's the G-force meter. Oil life remaining 97%. And this one here is just the seat belt. Let me put my seat belt on. The seat belt light does go off. Horn works fine. The cruise control buttons turn on. Here you can see the driver window. That does go up and down. Passenger window goes up and down. The controls up here. That's your home link. You can see the buttons light up. Dome lights turn on. Moonroof opens and closes, and the shade goes forward and back. You know, obviously I can't test the volume controls here. I can tell you, I mean, the car has been running this whole time. It is up to temperature right now. You know, it's holding fine. Motor runs solid. I don't see any problems whatsoever wrong with the motor. It is a manual transmission car. I do only have one key. Kind of shoot under the seat here a little bit. I don't know if you can see anything. I do see there's plastic down here. You know, I don't know if, you know, a dealership put that in. I've got nothing to do with the plastic, so I don't know where the plastic came from. I see it's in the back seats as well. And that's the tag that's on the plastic. I don't know if you can read that or not. Again, there's no funny smells. Really not much of anything. I do see, if you can see here, there is a few scratches. You know, that'll buff out, or maybe it's not a big deal. A few little scratches here. These buttons do not work on either door. But remember, the outside button doesn't work on that side at all. You can use these handles down here. That's how I get out of the car, is by pulling that handle. There is a few scratches here. That's all I can see. And then the seat buttons, sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. Right now they're not working. None of the functions. The lock-unlock button, you know, there's no manual linkage on the car since they're all electronic, so I can't hear if they're locking and unlocking. The mirror button's on for the driver's side. Driver's side mirror is not working. Passenger side mirror is not working. And that's about it. We'll go for a quick little drive. Let me release the brake. See the parking brake released. Right now we're ready to drive, and the only light that's on is just the traction control. Sounds nice and quiet. I don't hear any noises. You can see it's not overheating. Again, this is a manual car. It is not an automatic. It shifts fine. She picks up, so still giddy ups and goes. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you very much.